Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what ended the Mongol Empire. The vast Mongol Empire, once a formidable force, eventually faced a complex decline. Several key factors contributed to its fragmentation and eventual collapse. Internal conflicts among its leaders, devastating pandemics like the Black Death, and the rise of powerful local resistance movements all played significant roles. Understanding these elements helps us grasp the multifaceted end of this immense historical power. The sheer size of the Mongol Empire made unified governance incredibly challenging. Over generations, it naturally splintered into distinct khanates, each with its own leadership and ambitions. This internal fragmentation was exacerbated by constant power struggles and a lack of a clear, established system for succession. These disputes often escalated into destructive civil wars, diverting resources and attention from maintaining the empire's overall strength and cohesion. Speaking of things falling apart, sometimes our meal prep can feel like that, but it doesn't have to. These leak-proof containers are a game changer for keeping your food organized and fresh. They make healthy eating simple and mess-free, just like a well-structured empire. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. You can find the link to these amazing containers and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Beyond internal issues, external pressures and devastating disease played a crucial role. The Black Death, sweeping across Eurasia, decimated populations, including the Mongols, severely impacting their military and economic strength. Simultaneously, powerful local resistance movements gained momentum. In China, the Red Turban Rebellion ultimately led to the overthrow of the Yuan dynasty and the rise of the Ming. Similar assertions of independence occurred across other territories, further eroding Mongol control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.